Welcome back for another training session on how to transfer funds from your back office to a fellow team member or family member or friend. So right here we see that we are starting off on our dashboard. On your dashboard, right at the bottom of your screen, you will see 5 tabs: Team, Holdings, Home, Airdrops and More. It has those 3 little dots. We would click on the More. It will open up this menu that you see here. On the top here, you'll see downline, airdrops, commissions, wallets, and claim salary. So for this training video, we need to click on the plus sign next to wallets. We will then start off with XRP points. So here we have 0 XRP points. We still need to fund this wallet in order to send a code to your friend or family member or team member. We click back on the More button at the bottom. Click on Wallets. We click on Commissions. That is where you go to first. So here's an outlay. This is where your funds will be lying. And you need to transfer from this account over to your XRP or XRP points account. So here you will see 2 main buttons, XRP and XRP points. So in the event that we want to transfer funds over, we are on the correct button. At the moment I have a low balance because I already transferred over. So this is not enough, but let us try. We click on Transfer to Fund. And we click there. 3.5. And we say Submit. 0.5. However, I think the minimum here is 10. But let's try. Okay, there you see enter amount 10. So it worked with the XRP, but not with the balance points. So you need 10 points to be able to transfer over to your wallet. So again, we click on More. We click on Wallets. And now we go to Fund. There you'll see now I have 9.21 XRP. If I want now to transfer over to my friend or family member or team member, you will see there's a range of buttons below here. Let's start with Fund Request, Add Fund, Transfer Peer-to-Peer, Transfer to XRP Wallet, or XRP Code. So we have 2 here that we can use as options. We can do the direct transfer, which is the transfer peer-to-peer. We click that. Seems like my network is hanging on me. Okay, I'm just going to press the back button here. We try again. Sorry about this. Let's try again. My network can be a problem sometimes. Okay. So now we click on the more, we take off where we left, wallets, we click on fund. Okay, and then we click on transfer P2P. Red button. And there you would see transfer fund user to user. There you would put in the amount, and just below it you would put in your person's username or nickname with the amount, and then you just simply submit to that person. However, if you want to do it via points, you will click on more, you will click on wallet. Now bear in mind we've already transferred from our commissions over to our XRP points, but in this moment I don't have enough funds. So here you would see 10 or 20 points. You would then click the red button here, create XRP code, and there you would have your discount code or your funding code that you can send to that person, and then you simply submit, and that would generate then a code for you that you can give that person to utilize to activate their fund for the 10 or XRP level. And that concludes our training on how to transfer funds from your account to your team members or your family member or friend. See you again next time.